wish you could change a pattern color in just one click rather than selecting each and every element in the document. I just found amazing trick that blew my mind and it actually saved a lot of time. So let's get started. Here's how it works. First, select an image with the color you want to use. Then pick the pattern you want to update. Head to the top bar and click on this little wheel icon. This pop-up will open and hit Color Theme Picker. With this tool, you can sample any color from your chosen image and Illustrator will instantly apply those shades to your pattern. Not only that, you can also adjust the darkness by sliding the bar, or if you want more control, jump into the advanced options. Here you can tweak the hue, saturation and brightness of each color individually. It's incredibly intuitive. And you can fine-tune everything until it's just right. Let's put it into action. I have got a gradient logo here. By the way, I have downloaded this from the FrickPic, and you can also download so many patterns and so many logo options, that too absolutely free. I'll repeat the same process. Select the image, hit the color theme picker and boom, voila, the colors are updated instantly. No more fighting with the color changes. Illustrator handles it all in seconds. I hope this will help, and let's summarize this. Choose the image, select the pattern, go to top bar menu, hit little wheel icon and just use color theme picker and pick the color whatever you want from the image. And you can also change the whole document color with this simple trick. That's it. And I know it will speed up your workflow. If you enjoyed this, do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your design team. And comment below your favorite Illustrator trick that actually help you to save your lots of time. Happy learning!